Hi there, good morning. Happy New Year 2025 to everybody. So, I just want to share with you guys a very important book that I'm reading right now. So, it's a book of Joel Osteen. So, it's um the power of I ams. So, that is a very good um book. This is a very good book. Um because it helps us how to think positively, how to speak positive towards our life, and how to speak powerful um I ams. So Joel Austin said and shared in his book that our life will depends on how we say the word I am. So what follows after I am will be the one who's getting you. For example, sinabi mo, I am broke. I am sick. Um, I am not good enough. So those I am that you say will really get you. So ang tinuturo niya dito, dahil New Year na rin naman, kailangan nating mag-umpisa sa kung ano yung isusunod natin sa I am. For example, I am blessed. I am beautiful. Syempre, pag sinabi mo you are blessed, then blessing will come after you. It will gonna hunt you, will gonna get you. Kasi yung, sabi nga, di ba yung word na, what your mind can conceive, your body can achieve. Kung ano yung iniisip mo, yun yung iaak ng katawan mo. So, pag sinabi mo, I am tired. So, kakaumpisa pa lang ng araw mo, tired ka na. So, your body will really experience tiredness. So, ngayon, hapon na. Sabihin ko, I'm so energetic. So, it will get me. Katawan ko magiging energetic. So, kahit yung sinahod ko ay maliit. Pero sasabihin ko, I am okay. I am well off. I am favored. My finances will gonna go get better. So, this year, pwede mo sabing, I am gonna be debt-free. So, yun ang magpa-follow sa'yo. So, every time you're working with positive heart, like positive outlook. So, don't curse daw your future. So, one example daw, na pinakamagandang example dito sa sinishare ni Joel Austin is that si Sarah. So, the Lord needs to change her name from Sarai to Sarah. Kasi noon daw, si Sarai is 80 years old na pero wala pang anak. That time daw, kapag ang babae hindi pa nanganganak, ganun nakatanda, kahit ang may problema yung lalaki, it's still the girl's fault. That time yun ha. So, of course, siguro, ang iniisip niya nun, ano siya, yung IM niya is puro mga mababa. So, iniisip niya na, siguro, I am not worth it. Parang hindi siya good enough. So, but because God changed her name into Sarah, you know what is the meaning of Sarah? Diba nanonood tayo ng Princess Sarah before? So, Sarah means princess. So, tayo pwede din natin palitan ng pangalan natin into Sarah. Not actually yung totoo talagang pangalan, but we can practice being a princess. Kasi princess tayo ng Lord. Diba? So, we can change it. So, nung pinalitan, God, pinramis niya sa kanya na Sarah, siya ay princess, na magkakaanak siya from 90 years old nanganak siya. So, binigyan siya ng promise na baby ng God. So, from then, we can actually copy Sarah. We are crowned with favor. We are favored. We are fearfully and wonderfully made by God. So let's start our new year with great positive, and it depends on how we are going to use I am. It will follow. So day 1, January 1, 2025, Alberta, Canada, Grand Prairie. My I ams is that I am blessed. I am woman of God, blessed and favored, crowned with favor. I am going to be a debt free this year. So the Lord's promises will come and follow after me. Thank you. Have a good day. Happy New Year, everyone. Always remember your I am. Bye.